To change the position, you must first unscrew the tank lock system. In case of rain, you can cover the bag with the rain cover. There is a hole in the front for the charging cable to pass through.
The Easy SH phone holder can be purchased separately and attached to the top of the bag, as shown in the video.
The strap provided in the package allows you to comfortably carry the bag over your shoulder. The same strap can also be used to secure the bag to the motorcycle for extra safety.